If it doesn't require a doctor's degree to operate on a brain, then I can do it. If it doesn't require an engineering degree to build a bridge, then I can do it. The product and the price will always change, but as soon as I close, the human reaction remains exactly the same.
So where did that come from? How did you develop that innate trust in yourself that hey, I can figure this out. I can find a way.
The book field. It all comes back to the book field, after knocking on
Tell people
10,000
what the book
doors.
field is.
The book field,
We
a lot of
both
people
sold books, but tell people what that is.
it's the place where you get tested every 5 minutes for 12 hours a day. It's a place where you
Right?
knock on doors,
Well,
you get rejected. It's the most character building experience ever provided that you can sign up. It's probably the biggest internship in the United States. And